Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Coros Vertix 2. Now this watch came out a while ago, I'm aware of that, but this is the first time I've had a chance to lay my hands on one. So let's rip this box open and have a look, see what we've got inside. Okay, so it's got a little pull tab that you open similar to Apple products. And inside we've got a cloth covered bag, and there's something else in here. I'm not sure what that is. No, we'll sort that out later anyway. Okay, so inside here we seem to have a strap, and the strap attaches to the box like this so that you can use it as an accessory box. Okay, and this part here you can also put inside the box after you take the watch out for things like phones or other accessories. So this is the case. It's a nice waterproof case, nice covered with a little bit of rubberized texture there, rubberized on the edges. Looks nice and secure. Let's open it up. Okay, so here's the watch. I went for the silver version with the orange band. As you know, I do prefer that style. It does look nice. Okay, so this is the strap, very similar to Garmin, slightly different pattern on it. And this is the watch. So it's got titanium bezel and titanium back, but this is a silver titanium. It's like a stainless steel look. Usually titanium has a dull matte finish, but this is quite shiny. Very heavy. Alright, so underneath here we've got two extra boxes. This one has charging cable. So it's a type A to a proprietary end. Similar to Garmin, but not the same. It's slightly squarer. So Garmin ones won't fit, unfortunately. Right, in the second box, I'm guessing this is going to be difficult to get out. Right, so this is the documentation. So we've got product safety and quick start guide and a couple of stickers, quite nice. And a little piece of information there. So it's got the QR codes on it. Okay, so let's put those away and have a look at the watch itself. Now this watch is supposed to have a battery life of up to 60 days. Now that's 60 days if you're on an expedition where you're not using the smartwatch functions. If you're using it for a smartwatch and notifications and things like that, you're probably going to get maybe 35 to 40 days battery life out of it. So still quite a long time. Right, so we've got a sapphire screen there, which looks rather nice. It's slightly recessed by about 0.5 millimeter to protect the sapphire from any drops. Let's clip those on. Okay, there's the second one. Right, so we've got the languages there. Okay, so you've got different languages. This watch supports most of the languages that are popular. There we go. Okay, there's the QR code. Right, I'm going to scan this in and set up the app, and then we'll come back to it. So you need the Coros app for this. Let me just find it. I've already downloaded the app. Okay. Okay, right, so scan the QR code with the phone. It's a bit difficult because it's a transflective display, so it's not very bright. Right, okay, I'm going to fast forward this bit and I'll come back in just a second. Right, okay, I finally got it to work. I had to put the backlight on and take a photograph of it as it was lit up more. Transflective displays are quite dull, so it's difficult to see. Right, okay, so I've got the app set up. I think there's probably a few other things to sort out with that. So let's do those now. Okay, just a few questions to answer. Put in a password. Right, there we go. Setup complete. Okay, so there is already a new version of the software. So let's sort that out as well. I do apologize if you can hear there's building work going on upstairs, and it's been going on for a few weeks, and this is the quietest they've been today. That's why I'm making a video, but it's been a bit crazy here. I don't know what everybody in this building seems to want to do their house up at this time of year. I have no idea why. Right, okay, so that seems to be all done. Right, so the battery life says 60 days, but it lasts between 25 and 30 days on smartwatch mode. Material, sapphire glass, titanium, 89 grams with the strap. You need to slow that down if you want to read all of those. I've been wearing the watch for quite a while. I will do another video on later on when I'm a bit more used to it. But for now, I'll leave it here and I'll do the full review in a few weeks' time. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.